I'm gonna revisit these air conditioners at this alley. Here's the carrier comfort and the damaged train. Carrier's currently running. Never caught this unit running before. It has a family road. Here's the train. Oh, and the carrier just shut off. Here's the train not running. Here's a spin down. Turned off. It has a LEG scroll. Yeah, this unit replaced another train XE in the mid-2010s, I believe. Here's the HIO unit, ICP, whatever it is. I don't know if it's running or not. I don't know if it's not running. This unit never runs, actually. Never runs. From 2000. Here's the Carrier Tech 2000. It's like, this is like the first one I filmed ever. Oh, good. It's running. Carrier Tech 2000's running. Yes, it's from the 1990s. You like this unit though. I don't know if it's Carrier or Brian.
Hi. Is that a Shiva?
Okay. Oh. The American Standard is starting to rattle. Oh yeah, the American Standard is now rattling. These two exhaust fans. Here's the refrigerator component. I don't think it's running. That thing is rattling. Jail. And there's a train unit up there. I can't go up there because it's on a roof. There's another exhaust fan. Could be running. Hopefully the Linux is still here. Oh, come on! Hey, come on! I don't want to be by myself. Well, I hear the carrier comfort just shut off. Well, I think. Oh wait, some of them are running over here. Just gonna wait for my dad. Yeah, the exhaust fans are noisy over here. Oh, come on! That's gate right here. Like, I'm just gonna see if I can do the rattling American Standard. This thing is really rattling now. It's rattling badly.
Jax, go down there and get a close picture of it.
What is this? Hey, it's rattling so bad.
Oh, really?
Not that.
Okay.
That's Mario stuff. But
He draws ceiling fans, and someone made a shirt with all of his drawings on it.
Let me just follow this. Oh gosh, man. Refrigerator up there.
she lives in China, weirdly. She got it made in China. Like, have you ever gotten shipped something directly from China? Everything that comes direct from China has a certain
I just don't know when my dad's gonna come. Daddy, come on!
I don't know what they like.
Daddy, stop